Hi, welcome back to our channel. My name's Haley, and today you guys are going to come along with me, and as you can see, I have a lot of things I need to pick up. I also am going to refill like all the containers around the house and just get it together. I'm 31 weeks pregnant, and so I've just kind of I don't know, maybe gotten a little lazy around the house, found other things to do. We're also doing projects, like last minute projects around the house. Speaking of, if you do like watching projects, my husband Cody and I have completely renovated this house, and I do have, of course, videos up of all that. But I'm going to pick up today, and hopefully this brings you some motivation too. If you have just stuff laying all around the house, we don't let it get this bad, you can get up and clean with me. If you do like watching the refilling of the containers, I do have a lot more of that later on in the video. I usually will wait until at least one container is completely empty, and then I'll just let it spiral from there, see what else needs to be refilled or stocked up on. I don't know, sometimes I debate, because sometimes that's obviously a whole project if I wait until one thing's empty and then I do everything. But I don't want to be refilling things like every other day and make it feel like I'm always refilling things. So while I'm on that type of kick, I'm also gonna like organize the pantry a little bit too, which I know you guys have seen a lot of my pantry organizations, and usually I'll take everything out and it becomes a huge project. So with this, I'm trying to do little by little, keep up with the pantry, keep it organized, keep things in their place so that I don't have to do a huge day of going through the pantry. So this is the baby room slash hall closet right now. The hall closet is one of the projects that we're working on. So everything from the hall closet is in the baby's room, which is driving me crazy how messy the baby's room is. But of course, I'm going to be posting videos of all of that, the renovation of the closet and how I end up putting the baby's room together. And you'll see in a little bit, I'm going to go back in the baby's room and show you some clothes, because every time my mom goes on a trip, she can't help it but to buy the baby a couple outfits. So I'll show you that too. And then I do have some little baby Uggs that I'm going to show you. If you've been to my house or I talk to you a lot, you've probably already seen these Ugg slippers. I'm so proud of them. I think they're the cutest things ever. But I'll show you a little bit better too. They were on sale half off and I couldn't resist. And now I'm picking up the other kids' toys. Here's Violet's room. I don't show this room a lot because we don't really have, it's not put together really, but Cody plays his video games in here. I edit the YouTube videos in here, and that's where Violet stays.
Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Before you turn away, I just want you to know that I didn't throw your stuff away. Before you make up your mind that I'm nowhere to find, I'm standing right here. I know that I told you we're over, I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light, or would you follow me, or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. Till the morning light. Till the morning light, yeah.
So now this is the next day, and that's kind of why this house got so bad with clutter and stuff, is that was about all I could do for the one day without my body hurting. I was out of breath, ready to sit down. So now it's a new day. I've been wanting to organize under this sink, and I want to declutter as many of these containers as I can, but condense it down into other containers, throw out what cleaners I don't need, and just really I want to condense everything in the house. I want to go through everything and get rid of any clutter, anything I don't need. So this will be a big one, getting rid of a lot of these products that I don't need. And then also these tubs, I know I'm not going to use as I'm like redoing under the sink, so I'm just going to clean them out and put them. I have a bin that's full of containers, and I'll end up using them for something else.
Maybe I'm just too weak, maybe I'm just afraid of being alone. Well, I don't care, cause right now I feel the love that we said we would burn. Oh, I know that you feel it too. I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me. Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Stay till the morning light. Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight.
So I've been meaning to start a bag of frozen bananas so that I can make banana bread. I end up though being too lazy and I just throw the bananas out, which I get bananas every single week. Some weeks we eat them, some weeks we don't, but I need to start saving them so then I have them on hand to make banana bread or put them in smoothies. So that's what I'm doing here, putting the fresh bananas in the container. Now this is the container that I keep all of my like prenatals and all the pregnancy vitamins and all that. So I'm going to clean that out, refill that, and you'll see I have the oats. I just have a lot of random things that I need to refill the containers on and get rid of the clutter of the container that it came in.
Would you stay with me now till the morning? Would you stay till the morning light? Or would you follow me? Or would you let it be? If I leave tonight, we could do this right. We'll find the remedy. Or would you stay with me now till the morning light? Till the morning light. 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 I know that I told you we're over. I swear that I'm sober. Just listen, I miss you. And I know that I said all these things, but now when you're with her, I can see that you miss me.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light. If it gets too dark, yeah, I can carry all that you've got. Two heavy hearts is not a lot. I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall, and it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark.
So now for my laundry soap. This looks like it's not a lot. It's the Young Living laundry soap, but it's so concentrated and I don't water it down that you're only supposed to use a little tiny bit. So I buy 3 bottles at a time. I could probably buy some more just to get the glass container looking a little more full and cuter. But this will last me actually a really long time, probably 6 months or more. Because, like I said, you're just using such a tiny, tiny amount each time you do a little laundry. Now it's time to put everything away, and I'm realizing it's too heavy and my belly's too big. So Cody will put that away whenever he gets home, and then I can just put all the other things away that I refilled, and then into the pantry. I'm gonna put all the spices, everything that we just refilled. I'm gonna put all of that away. Oh, and I did show how I ended up putting the labels on these spice containers. It's over on my TikTok, which is also called Under Our Roof. So I thought it wouldn't be right if I didn't show you the latest ultrasound pictures of the baby. I think she looks so cute, and I think she looks a lot like Cody. She definitely has his mouth and his chin, but we'll see. Just a couple more weeks and she'll be here. But showing you everything that's left over. I'm going to condense these down and then show you all the containers. I already threw out all the cleaning containers from under the sink. I wish I would have shown you that, but I was able to condense those down a lot too. So it's always so satisfying to get rid of clutter and things that don't need to be in the pantry or don't need to be around the house. So thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe for more.